What if a small gummy could really boost testosterone, improve erections, increase libido, and bring back your youthful stamina? But what if the impressive promises are much bigger than the actual evidence? That's exactly what we found while investigating JellyBlue Gummies. JellyBlue is marketed as a male vitality supplement containing a combination of natural herbs and amino acids, with claims that it can support testosterone, sexual performance, energy, stamina, and overall male wellness. At first glance, the concept sounds appealing, but the real question is whether the formula has enough scientific evidence behind it to justify those claims. Our investigation found one major issue. There are no published clinical trials showing that the finished JellyBlue Gummies formula can reliably deliver the advertised results. Some individual ingredients used in male health supplements may have research behind them, but that does not automatically prove that this particular combination, dosage, or gummy format works. Another concern is the product's online marketing. Multiple websites present themselves as the official JellyBlue source, yet some appear to show different formulas, ingredient lists, or promotional information. We also found questionable advertising practices, including supposed doctor endorsements, AI-generated promotional content, suspicious customer testimonials, and claims that can make the product appear more medically validated than it actually is. The FDA approval language is another red flag, because dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA in the same way prescription medications are. Add in countdown timers, massive discounts, and repeated urgency messages, and it becomes difficult to separate genuine product information from aggressive marketing. There are also reports of similar or rebranded male enhancement products failing to produce the promised results. So, is JellyBlue Gummies a complete scam? We can't definitively say that every customer will have the same experience, and the product may contain ingredients with legitimate nutritional or physiological properties. However, based on the lack of clinical evidence for the finished formula and the questionable marketing surrounding it, we would not consider JellyBlue a proven solution for testosterone, erectile function, or male sexual performance. If you're considering it, research the ingredients, verify the seller, and speak with a qualified healthcare professional before relying on its claims.